Hello everyone and welcome to the world of mobile testing. Whether you are a curious developer, an aspiring QA professional, or just someone who wants to learn how to test apps, this video is your one-stop shop for understanding mobile app testing. Here's a list of what we plan to cover in this video. Why is mobile testing important? What types of testing practices software industry follow? Why do software development life cycles exist? How to release an app only to known testers in your circle. And in the end, I'm going to talk about how to automate your app testing. Did you like this breakdown? Great. Subscribe to Programming Hub for more in-depth programming lessons. You can check out our app whose link is in the description box below to learn on your phone. Our app is already helping thousands like you to master new frameworks. Join the community and level up your coding skills. Well, I'm Soumen. I'm a professional mobile app developer. Let us begin with a purpose. Why is mobile app testing important? Imagine a scenario with a food delivery app called Foodie on the Go, which serves you delicious dishes. Here's how mobile app testing comes into play. The first part involves functionality testing. Testers would ensure smooth operation throughout the app. This includes placing an order, like the users can easily browse restaurants, add items to the cart, and proceed to checkout. Payment processing. Does the app securely handle various payment methods? And order tracking. Can users accurately track the order of their delivery? The second part involves usability testing. Testers would assess how user-friendly the app is. Is the interface clear and intuitive? Can users find what they need easily? The third part involves compatibility testing. Testers will verify the app functions on different devices. Does the app display correctly on various screen sizes like phones and tablets? Is it compatible with operating systems of Android and iOS? And then follows your performance testing, wherein the testers would assess app responsiveness under conditions like, does the app load quickly on different internet connections of Wi-Fi, 3G and 4G? How does the app perform during peak hours when the orders might be a surge? By thoroughly testing Foodie on the Go, testers can identify and fix any bugs before the app launches publicly. This ensures a smooth user experience for customers and helps the business avoid negative reviews or lost sales due to app malfunctioning. What type of testing practices software industry follow? Most popularly, a company follows two types, manual and automated. Let me break this down for you. In manual testing, a human tester manually interacts with the software step by step according to a test plan. This method is highly adaptable as testers can adjust their approach based on an unexpected behavior. They can also explore new functionalities. However, manual testing can be generally slower, especially for repetitive tasks. Testers need time to set up and execute each test case. Automated testing, software tools or scripts execute the test based on predefined instructions. It's less flexible as scripts require maintenance and updates to adapt to changes in the software. Automated testing significantly is faster as it can run numerous tests in a short time. Why do software development life cycles exist? Imagine building a castle. You wouldn't just jump in, start stacking bricks everywhere, right? You would probably follow these steps. You'll plan it out and look for the instructions, figure out what pieces you need, and imagine the final product. You'll decorate the castle with windows, doors, and other fun stuff. An SDLC or software development life cycle is like a similar set of steps, but it's used for building software like apps, websites. It's a roadmap that helps developers create high-quality software efficiently. As a tester, you need to master SDLC. We cover different SDLC lifecycle techniques like waterfall, spiral, prototype model with easy examples in our app. How to release an app? Only to known testers in your circle. Both Apple and Google lets developers distribute pre-release versions of their iOS apps to a selected group. In Apple, it's called as test flight, and in Android, it's called internal app. Overall, test flight helps developers improve the quality of their apps by getting a real-world feedback before a public release can be done. Next, I'm going to talk about how to automate your app testing. Android apps use Espresso, which is a framework by Google specifically designed for automating your app testing for apps written in Java or Kotlin. In iOS, XCUI Test is a framework for automating iOS apps. Lastly, you can implement a CI/CD pipeline for automating your test. Let's understand CI/CD in a layman's way. Imagine a chef constantly making small changes to a recipe. CI/CD then acts like a diligent kitchen keeper. Whether a new ingredient is added, CI/CD automatically triggers a taste test. This catches any seasoning mishaps, allowing the chef to fix them quickly before they ruin the whole dish. Well, this is a short introduction to CI/CD. In the upcoming week, we shall release a complete tutorial to explain how you can implement CI/CD into your GitHub account and set up automated testing. Share this video with your friends, family, and anyone else who might benefit from learning about coding and development. Happy coding!